Servicing this Minn Kota Riptide motor, I accidentally caught a fishing line, and the fishing line is right here, as you can see, and I couldn't remove it. That's why I use this ratchet with a socket with 1-8 socket on the ratchet. You will need to remove this lug nut by positioning it like this on a socket, just like this. When it will be removed, you will need to remove the washer. The washer goes next, and then you will need to use something like this, like a pinpoint screwdriver or flat screwdriver, and push it out. As soon as you're done, you easily can replace this part, or you can remove the fishing line or any other kind of dirt or debris which stuck over here. It could be the seaweeds as well. Just remove everything. All this fishing line is removed, as you can see here. But before we'll install everything back, I noticed some rust. That's why I will put special rust reforming solution, which instantly converts rust to a protected paintable surface, and then I will repaint it and reinstall all parts back on place. Alright, and here almost everything is already done, as you can see. The surface is completely rust free, that's why it's time to install those parts back. But first of all, I need to mount the motor back right here. Completely rust free space. Let's reinstall everything and check the performance of the repair at Minn Kota Riptide. During installation, it's very important to check alignment. As you can see, this should match with those entrances. Just make sure that you match it correctly. When everything is matched, as you can see, these locks matched properly, it's time to install this nut and to tighten it to specs. So basically this part will push it back on place. One -2 socket, and install it back. Don't forget to put the washer. If it will spin, help with another hand and block it. Alright, everything is assembled. Let's turn the using currently the jump start in on position. Let's check the battery, and let's check how the motor will operate after it has been repaired. Works pretty good. Let's try the reverse speeds. Very good as well. Everything is tightened and secured properly. The most important is to tighten the lug nut. This was the removal of the fishing line from Minn Kota Riptide. Thanks for watching.